Welcome to Stamping Up with aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday series. I'm your host, Jacqueline Scheel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own confetti to use in a shaker card. You can use thin designer paper, double-sided designer cardstock, plain cardstock, glitter paper, or even ribbon. The options are endless. This gives you the flexibility to choose the exact items to go with your project, while putting your leftover scraps to good use and saving money by using what you already have. Just use a hole punch. This is a 1/4 inch punch. Any size punch will do, or a pair of scissors. Using your paper or your ribbon, and I store them in this container I got at the dollar store, or a pill bottle, or you can even use a Ziploc bag. It's very easy. Just take the paper you want and punch as many holes as you can. It's pretty much that easy. When cutting up your ribbon, I like to use glitter ribbon. For this reason, when you cut it, it creates a lot of little pieces, of shavings of gold, and it intersperses with the other pieces of confetti and gives a little bling to your card. This is an example of a shaker card, and this one was made using store-bought fillers, this sequins, and then also she cut out some hearts using a small heart punch, so you can do that as well. I hope you found this to be very useful and a good money-saving tip. So voila, there you have it, your own confetti to use in a shaker card. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page, my blog, and my Stamping Up store site. Also, check out my Etsy store, where I sell retired and discontinued Stamping Up products, as well as the exclusive list of current products Stamping Up allows demonstrators to sell on their personal websites. Thank you for joining me in Stamping Up with aCraftyChick's 3-Minute Thursday. Happy crafting!